Welcome to Student Career Plus app. This app consists of two main modules, one for student and one for staffs. Either student or staff can log in or register using their details with ease. This is student registration screen where student could fill in their details, and it also consists of a field for backlogs where students could look into their backlog subjects, search for them and add them into their account. This is student login screen where student could log in using their email and password. Once logged in, the first screen they look up is their profile screen. The second screen is general notification screen where student could view the general notification sent to them by respective staffs. The third screen is backlog details. The fourth screen is backlog notification where student could receive notification from staffs regarding their backlog subjects. The view notes screen is used to view specific notes uploaded by staff members. Students can request for OD using the Request OD tab, under which they could upload event certificate along with the title and the specific date. Under the View Request tab, they could view their request in a list view manner. They could also cancel requests which are done unwillingly. Once the OD request is approved, an approval tick will be given to the request. The app consists of three themes, one named as system, and the next one is light and the other one is dark, based on user preferences. Account. Users might want to link their Google account in order to secure and to update passwords. The device with which they use this application is an Android device which would already be logged in with their Google account, so they could link that Google account with this application's account. After successfully linked, the user is now secured and ready to go.
The next module is Staff module. It looks similar to student login, as the staff could log in or register using their credentials. The first screen is Profile screen with all of their details. The next tab is General Notify tab, where staff could send general notification to student by selecting their department and their class ID. Notification can be sent to multiple classes at the same time. The second tab is Backlog Notify tab, where staff could send notification to the student with backlogs in the respective subject. The staff can choose the subject, their class, which he took class for, and he could send the notification message. The next tab is Notes Management, where staff could upload, delete, or view a PDF file. The upload process is done based on class ID. It can be specific for particular class or it can be accessible for many classes as well. There is an inbuilt secure PDF viewer which is used to view PDF files, and staff could upload PDF from their local devices, and once uploaded it will be shown in preview section down below on the screen. The next tab is View Student tab, where staff could search a student by class or student ID. The details of the student along with backlog subject and the event he had attended so far will be shown. Staff could also modify backlog if a student had cleared the subject. The next tab is Provide OD tab, which staff could approve an OD request from student by selecting semester the student is currently in, and his department and his class ID. List view of all the requests is shown, which consists of student details as well as his backlog subject. Once OD is provided, it goes under Approved OD section, such that the staff can give approved OD request by switching on to Include Approved OD mode. As like student module, staff module team can also be changed based on user preference.
The next main module is notification testing. Notifications here are sent through cloud functions which can send notification to multiple devices by using their device ID. We tested this by using the application in two different devices. One device will be logged in by the staff and the other device will be logged in by the student. A staff might send notification in two different formats. It could be general notify or backlog notify. First, until general notify, the staff chooses the department and he chooses the class which needs to be notified generally. The notification text will be sent to all the devices of all the students which falls under the classes chosen. The second device you see is a device with student logged in. As he swipes down, you can see the notifications sent as general. The notifications can be viewed under General Notification tab in his login module. Now we checked backlog notify by choosing the class and subject in which the student has arrear in. As you can see in the student device, there is no notification received till now. As the staff clicks on send message, the pop-up bar appears as notification sent successfully. We can watch the logo of the application appear on the top navigation bar. On swiping down, we can see the notification sent by the staff, including his mail ID along with his message he sent for the students. In such a way, he achieved the process of sending notification to multiple devices as well using cloud functions integrated with Firebase.
Thank you for your kind patience, and we hope you enjoyed our application.